Today I'm going to show you about Notepad++. Notepad++ is a free software it's a free program that you can download. If you are thinking of doing computing as A-levels, GCSEs or anything, then I'm pretty sure that you're going to come across this at some time. So it's good to download it first. It's free, you just type in Notepad++. It's coding, where you can code web pages and HTMLs. It's using HTML and JavaScript, but don't get confused, it's not the same as Java, so you won't get any risk of getting nearly as many viruses from it as you do with Java. Anyway, I think I would advise you get it. It's very good. You can get it on a portable version, which means you can get it for your USB or your memory stick, or you can get it on your computer. So anyway, I'm going to just jump right into the video now. First of all, if you want it to have the blue, so you see what I'm writing now, no sort of colour comes up and it just looks rubbish. What you want to do, if you want it to have a colour to show you what each type of code is, like a function or something, you have to go as File, Save As, then whatever you're going to call it, I'm going to call mine Video 2. After that you have to do .html, that's dot, H for hat, T for top, M for Maltesers and L for love. And .html makes it so you've got all your colours in the right, like the code, which is what stuff is a function, what's a JavaScript and everything. It helps you organise all your codes. And then what you want to do is, instead of where it says save as type, instead of having normal text file, you have to go onto hypertext markup language file, which makes it so you can run it and see what it would look like if it was on the internet. It won't be an actual web page. Don't get excited. So then you save that. Now to start off, what you need to do is do HTML. This makes it so you've opened the HTML basically. Then what you want to have is a title. So you have to go title. My title is going to be video ... But to close it, you have to do exactly the same, but then you have to have a / before word again, so it's title again. So sorry about that, not capitals and not spelt right. So that's how you open and close. So this means open and this one means close. I don't know what I just did. There we go. So now we need to do the body. That title is gonna be up at the top of the bar what you're on, like the web page, and that's going to be called video. Now you need to do the body, which is what the page is actually going to look like, what it's going to have on it. It's context. So if you think of the word body, what it is exactly what it says is it should be lowercase, I think. Body is what it looks like. So we have to open the body and then leave that open. What you then want to do is, I'm going to have a header, header 1 is the biggest. You can go all the way up to header 6, which is the smallest. Header 1 being, so header 1 to header 6. So then my first header is going to be this. I need to close it. The writing in black is what's the writing, like actual writing on the page and stuff. The writing in blue is not going to be on the page, it's the coding. Okay, so then you need to do H2. And I'm going to do a few more headers. I'm just going to pause it and play it again when I'm done. Actually no, I'm just going to show you another one. H2 is, don't worry, it's not going to be lined up like how it is. on this thing, it's going to be lined up properly, okay? Now I'm going to pause it and then play it again when I've done them all. Right, now it says this is a video, and that's what it's going to say on the page. You can also add different type of font, different colours, and highlight it and everything. You can do loads with it, but this is just a simple tutorial just to get you started. Once you've done that, once you've opened something, you can't leave it open, so you need to close everything. So first of all these are closed, so these are closed and these are closed. The next one that needs to be closed is the body. So you just go body with / sorry about this. And then you need to close the HTML. It's quite simple, HTML. Remember to save it before you run it, or else it won't be able to run, so click save. Hopefully you should know what this is going to look like. It's going to be simple. And then you can see you can launch it. Don't click this one or it won't work properly. If you just want it simple, you can either have it in Firefox, Internet Explorer, Chrome, Safari. I'm going to do it in Chrome because that's the one I use. This might take a while, so I'm just going to pause it. Okay, here we go. This is what it looks like. I know it does not look very amazing, but well, there you go. It's coding. It's not just dragging pictures. It's not like web design or whatever you call it. It's proper coding. And this is what I've just done. And you could do this. You could probably do a lot more. You just have to experiment. But this is just simple. So if I have a look, I'll show you what I've done. So I've opened the HTML, which is all of this. This is the HTML page and everything. And then I've called the title of the HTML video. The title of the HTML here is video. And then the body, which is all of what's on the page, the contents of the page. The header 1 is this one here. It's this. Header 2 is header 3, A, header 4, video, header 5, 3 exclamation marks. As you can see, they get smaller. You don't have to do it in that order. You can do header 5, then header 3, then header 1, whatever you want. But then after that, you have to remember to close everything. So I've closed it. You can't see it on here because it's in blue, as I said. But yeah, that's how it works. Please subscribe. I might put some more videos up, or I might not. Thank you.